you for watching Lango News channel.
The question of how political parties in Uganda will share the Inter-Party Organization for Dialogue (IPOD) funds has once again sparked national debate. These funds, provided by government to strengthen multi-party democracy, are meant to support party activities, research, and grassroots mobilization. Yet the formula for dividing the money, whether based on the numerical strength in parliament, equitable distribution among parties, or a blend of both, remains a contentious issue. As ruling and opposition parties position themselves, the discussion is not just about figures on paper, but about fairness, transparency, and the future of Uganda's multi-party policies. I do welcome you to Lango News channel. I am Denish Ongora. In May this year, the Parliament of Uganda passed the Political Parties and Organizations Amendment Bill 2025, conditioning government funding for political parties on their commitment to democratic principles such as tolerance, dialogue, and peaceful coexistence. The bill that obliges government to finance political parties and organizations represented in Parliament was introduced on the 14th of May by Napak District Woman Representative Faith Nakut. IPOD under the new bill will also be charged with creation of parallel forum for all registered political parties and organizations not represented in Parliament to ensure that all parties remain engaged in the national dialogue. On that day, while presenting a minority report on the same, MP Irute South Jonathan Odur of UPC argued that the bill is unconstitutional and contravenes Article 93 of the Constitution, which prohibits Parliament from processing a private member's bill with a charge on the consolidated fund. This was opposed by the Speaker of Parliament, Anita Among, who reiterated that the new amendments do not alter the existing funding arrangement for political parties. On the website of Parliament, Among is quoted to have said, "We have been providing money for the political parties in the House. The law is saying that we have political parties in Parliament that do not subscribe to IPOD, that should subscribe to get the money. If you do not want to cooperate and participate in IPOD, then there will be no money." That aside, here is the question. How is this IPOD money apportioned to the member political parties? It is divided based on the numerical strength of a political party in Parliament, whereby the number of party members is divided by the total number of MPs in Parliament, then divided by the total amount. Out of a total of shillings 11.2 billion, NRM will get the highest of shillings 9.7 billion, followed by FDC shillings 857 million, UPC shillings 313 million, DP shillings 252.4 million, while GEMA and PPP shillings 28.4 million. National Unity Platform is unexempt of these funds because of their failure to neither attend nor subscribe to the IPOD Summit activities. yet they have 57 MPs in parliament that could have handed them more IPOD money than other opposition political parties. The IPOD money will be shared among the 7 political parties that have representatives in parliament. These include NRM with 342 MPs, FDC 30 MPs, UPC 11 MPs, DP 9 MPs, JEMA 1 MP, and PPP 1 MP. Thank you for watching Lao News Channel. Have a good time.
Thank you for watching Lango News Channel. Please subscribe for more updates.